Oh, who the fuck would mistake this?
Look at this plane!
It's got a propeller on the top. It's a new type of plane,
Yeah,
guys.
it can go straight up.
It can go straight up. Like a rocket.
But plane.
But a plane. You got a little cunt.
Got a problem. Look, more features than Fortnite.
Oh, it's just not gonna stop just making up jokes.
What? Oh, come fast. We said come fast.
Yay.
Quickly, we're playing a game, Mum. Come on.
What the fuck?
So Tom, this is all recorded now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's not a good game, it's not being used, so.
No,
Basically, if I do shit, I'm not using it.
This game is pretty shit.
This game is shit the worst. I hate this game. Oh my god, that's loud.
Why is that always scared?
See, look, that's why I said they need to fix the audio issue.
I'm gonna go
Oh,
check now.
So there is no town.
Yeah, what are we meant to do here? Oh wait, no, there's some vehicles,
Aim for
some
the
buildings down
vehicle.
there.
There's a
No,
vehicle.
30, northeast. There's a building.
There's a vehicle.
Okay, you guys go for the vehicle.
I can't
Me.
go.
There's buildings.
I mean, we're dead, right? Let's be honest here.
Yeah, I like how I can only go down and not like forwards.
Yeah, I like that as well. I love it on the mountain.
Who's next to me? Oh, it's only us three, so it's Jake.
I like that.
What?
Ah, there's the buildings.
Let's see, it's blue. Daniel's far behind.
I know, I landed on a fucking mountain.
There's a vehicle to
Are
the
you not
left. We should go get that. Hopefully, it's natural
Oh,
four-seater.
people disconnected from the map, that means we win, right?
Yeah, we're winning.
Oh,
Yeah,
God.
It's the only way we probably could get a win.
I'm gonna go for the vehicle until we go up.
We're
okay,
actually like semi-close to center. If you loot that cabin, I'll loot the other.
Right now.
cool. Okay, cool. If you don't find anything, I've got 2 guns, so.
Can
No.
I have a gun?
Shut up. You don't deserve anything.
But I'm scared of the vehicle.
I got hellfire. Damn,
Oh, nice. I got another gun for Daniel.
Yay.
It's a pistol,
You
but
don't
you know.
deserve anything.
At least I have a gun.
I mean, it's the pistol that we can never find ammo for, so.
Oh.
No, I'm not sure what ammo it uses, Daniel, but it's a
I
round.
can have my magnum
Ooh,
actually.
I
So I've got a
found a
pistol as
place.
well.
I found a farm. Kind of.
Oh, cool. We'll start heading for you. Going.
Might be able to find a gun here.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, we're in the
go
sun.
over
Graphics aren't too bad, actually.
We're not that far away. You're not that bad. I mean, the
Damn, I
shooting's
can't
pretty
run,
good.
Tom.
Backpack!
Oh, you
Come
can't
here.
run.
I can't run.
I mean, I'll be there pretty soon.
Yeah, you're already like a mile ahead of me, Tom. Just like
Fuck
stop
you, oh
and
my
then
God.
yeah, I can't run.
You know, actually, it's quite cool. The like big guns actually go into your backpack a
I
little
don't
bit.
think I should drive. I'm gonna let Tom drive.
Okay. Am I just the designated driver of this match? Of this game? I'm the designated driver.
Of this team.
I'll go
Fucking
pick up
none of
Jake.
us should drive.
There's a.
Oh, you're right next to us.
Yeah, it's there.
What's the point?
Like 20 backpacks around here. What the actual.
Oh shit!
Ow!
I mean, we did just hit you, full on. Press left to heal, buddy. Can you heal in the car?
Man,
Oh,
so
the burner doesn't work.
Oh, really? If you press down, you have bandages.
Oh, you can hear the car.
Hey Daniel, do you mind shooting me a bit? It's like one bullet. Thank you.
Oh, if that was a headshot, that'd be funny.
I thought about it.
Should have done it for the
I've got
content.
to use the bandages, and I just haven't used them over the games we've played, Tom.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I used
I've
them when
just
I
been
was
using
with
them
that random guy.
Played if I need to get in control.
Yeah, cheers, guys.
There's a left
Unless
and
you
there's
might
a
be able to
right.
remap it.
There's nothing.
I've tried
know.
remapping it so the left is the right and the right is the left.
I mean, you could
But
just do
it
it
just
in the
did-
actual game, like the PlayStation menu.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Oh, okay.
And I'm too confused.
Oh! I can't get that guy.
Well, I'm
Yeah, I
just keep
can't
going.
look at him either.
I'm gonna go for the house for cover.
Oh,
He's the Popo!
do you mind pick me up?
Oh, did you bail
Oh
out?
my...
Daniel, get out here for cover. Get out here for cover.
Got him.
Yeah, I'm going back.
Down there, please. Out now.
I'm coming. Jake.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Get in.
Oh my god.
Damn in. Whoops. I didn't mean to bail out.
It's good. There you go.
I picked
buddy.
your stuff up! Oh, okay.
Okay.
How do you talk about things?
L1.
Hold L1.
I'll hold it if you want. If you have multiple.
Yeah, hold
If you have
select.
two, you can tap it.
Hellfire!
I still have that crappy pistol.
Nice.
How good's our Hellfire, guys?
It's just some basic SMG. It's decent. Up close, don't use it as range.
Okay.
Get some combat boots.
Are we getting
Okay.
to the cut?
Oh, supply drop. See on the map? Green. Down, again.
Up behind us.
Yeah, we're going to go get loot.
Whoa!
It's good. Okay, nobody run away.
It's like arc! Oh.
We're a team, okay?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, we're a team without a vehicle.
Okay.
Why am I the
There's a vehicle
driver?
to the
I'm
right.
stupid, I do stupid things.
We can go grab the vehicle to the right after we grab this loot.
Designated driver's on it.
Whoa!
Well, I mean, someone's gonna die. Oh, it was Jake, okay.
Oh, what?
Who cares?
was me.
Oh, I thought it was you, the explosion.
That was me!
Oh, it was Daniel.
Was that actually you, Daniel?
No, I wasn't.
Okay, so there are enemies here then. I cannot find this vehicle.
Rifle.
Guys, I swear there's not a car here.
There's definitely a car.
I cannot find it.
Looking. Daniel, do you want to move to the next loot drop?
Should we get the car?
Tom, do you want to just make our way to the loot drop?
I mean, how far do we have to go for the circle?
It's the circle. We're near the center. If you bring up the minimap, look at it.
I guess so.
Oh, is
Okay.
that you just
sorry.
shooting off?
Yeah, that's me.
All right.
I'm really annoyed that I can't find this car.
Yeah, well.
Okay, I'm heading
Oh,
over.
yeah.
I have a sniper rifle now.
Wait, you got a sniper?
Yeah, scout. Mm-hmm.
Wait, is it a bolt action or is it?
Oh,
a
the scout one.
semi-action?
The scout rifle.
Oh,
That one's pretty good though.
it's alright, but I want the bolt action.
That's legendary, like easily. Yellow one.
Yeah.
But those ones are insanely like everyone goes after them.
That goes on my shit, yay!
There's another AK there.
Combat shotgun.
I'm just shooting houses.
Yeah. It's AK and AK ammo. Grab that now.
That's alright.
Oh wait. Wait, where's Tom? Oh, he's all the way down there.
Yeah, it's to run all the way across the road for a little like city.
Daniel, grab the AK ammo.
Yeah, I got everything. I got
Blame
a
Daniel.
combat shotgun. I got 4 weapons now. Yeah.
Hi guys,
Hello.
I made it.
I don't have a fourth weapon yet.
I don't have a
like it.
backpack that can support 4 weapons. I do.
I got
There's a
one
backpack.
missing.
Oh, is that
Laminated
armor?
body armor. Grab some of that.
My makeshift armor just there.
Why are we just standing? Why have we all got red helmets?
It's because none of us have leveled up enough. Yeah!
It's on purpose, right?
Yeah, all on purpose.
Yeah.
And now in true Rescue Team on style, we gun down Jake.
Right. Let's see.
Um,
This direction. directions towards the centre.
Let's move that way
The
then.
gas game pretty close, buddy.
Yeah, that gas moves fast and never gets stuck in the cats.
Oh, Tom's mic quality's gone to shit.
Yay!
It's gonna be great audio for the fucking footage.
It's
Right,
different
sounds
because
fun to me.
it's my console, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, you see the circle? Yeah.
Through the foliage.
I mean, Tom's mic sounds fine to me.
Yeah? That's shit, me.
It's because Daniel's my true
I
friend.
blame Tom.
I blame Jesus. I
Oh,
blame
you
Rent a
guys
Jeep.
have ran off so far.
Hmm?
I blame Rent a Jeep. That's the reason our car flipped over. They gave me a
Oh,
flippy
no.
car. Oh, 9mm ammo? It's America, they just leave guns everywhere. For their kids.
White shotgun.
Oh shit, there's only 24 other people.
13 groups, so 12 more groups. We're pretty good at hiding. We should do this more often.
Yeah.
Is there a vehicle here? There's definitely one on the map, yeah, Daniel. I see a vehicle on the map.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Where is it?
No.
This isn't the vehicle that I lost. It's a different one, so
It's
maybe
not the
it's...
vehicle you have.
Oh, it's a quad bike. Well, this is a problem.
Oh, airdrop.
There's
There's
another
no
vehicle over
vehicle
here.
down there. Okay, let's keep moving.
Airdrop to the, let's see,
Careful,
southeast.
You want a
this
vehicle
is a
there?
bit. This is a bit of an odd vehicle. It's
You
not
go
really.
grab the vehicle, I'll go to the airdrop.
Okay, Daniel, where are you? I just kind of want to group up for this because I don't think it's just a random spawn.
Oh, there's a police car. That's not driving by you guys.
Be careful, buddy.
You're not.
It's heading to loot drops.
Okay,
that
leave
gas
it, leave
is
it, leave
moving.
it.
Ah.
Yeah, it comes like without even nearly caring. What vehicle is
Oh,
it?
gunfire, gunfire, gunfire.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
me shooting
Get
at
into
people.
the safe zone. Get into the safe zone, Daniel.
I think it's a pickup truck.
Oh, cool.
Help me!
It's not a pickup truck.
I'm gonna go help. Go,
I'm
Jake.
dead.
Okay.
Crossbow.
There's a flaming jeep. You'll see it.
Daniel,
Yeah.
you good? Oh, the quad bike's just in the stall. There's not a vehicle in circle.
Fuck! Why did they have to pass by me?
I have a crossbow now.
Oh, nice, you got explosive bolts.
I think so.
I mean, that's the only. Okay, well, you know, this is a problem.
See, you see, that's a problem, Tom, right?
It's a
Holy
flashbang.
mother.
It's a flashbang, don't worry.
That killed me.
Oh, guy. 105. Running into that little compound. 2 guys.
Oh, yeah, I think.
Let's try and move into some cover before we engage.
The scout rifle is really shit. Scope. Police
Yes.
car, 60. That
Okay,
was
get into some cover. Remember, we can go prone, so.
I'm prone.
I'm prone.
Yeah, you still got like a minute until the gas comes in.
I mean, I'm in the circle, so. Oh, why is there no crouch run? I'm so used to Fortnite.
Guy, right next to you.
Okay, that's 2 guys. Fuck. That's 1 dead.
Nice.
Daniel, help him.
Yeah, what?
No, I'm dead. It just sprays through the pool. Come on, Daniel.
Oh, Tom's my quality's good again.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
me.
Okay. That wasn't too bad.
Guessing you're not using that footage.
No, we lost.
Great.